Sonic Boom with my buds, my thumbnail artist, and my editor. Say hi!
Hola! What is this?
That's right, you ruined everything. Ah! Subscribe or you stink! We were here to watch Sonic Boom. What is this? What's happening?
Why is Breen laughing so much?
Knuckles!
Is this the cut footage of Sonic the Hedgehog?
Oh my god!
My brother would watch
Is it
something like this. He's
actually?
genuinely entertained. He watches stuff like this, actually. He does. My brother actually is a trusty dusty iPad kid, and he actually watches stuff like this.
Oh my god! I feel awful for you. Ooh, look at full screen.
Can we please go back to watching Sonic Boom?
Don't worry,
in
I got
Spanish?
you.
Thanks.
Here, we'll watch Sonic Boom.
Sonic Boom.
Sonic Boom. This is epic. Woohoo! Lanky Box! Lanky Box! Why would you do this? Why would you do this? Guys, pretty please don't play Gacha Heat when I'm recording. That would really be epic.
What?
I saw Gacha. Stop! What is this?
Gotcha, like,
Please, Rain, tell me you're not into this. Pretty please. Why? Who keeps putting on Lanky Bot?
Oh my.
Oh my god. I need that! Buy it for me. Buy it for me. No! Buy it for me.
You know that Flippy's originally bought up a chart on God.
Hey, Vacco,
Yeah?
guess what?
What's up? What's up?
So you're able to buy that, but you won't pay us?
No comment. I want this.
No. Stop.
Oh my god. Live and learn.
Silver, Rouge, and Shadow. Okay.
Who's your favorite
Got
guy
my
character?
Tricky
Silver.
Silver.
That's way back in the 2010s.
What is this?
Silver's gonna go over.
Shadow's really getting into it. That ain't Patrick.
What is this?
Live and learn! Why do you keep going back to live and learn? Why do you keep doing this?
Whoa, this actually might be really copyrighted, oh no.
Yeah, now that I think about it, maybe don't play
Yeah.
live and learn.
We gotta cover.
Oh, sweet. Why is it black and white? Why is it so sad? Sonic a Booma.
And suicide.
Suicide. What is this? Is this the McDonald's? Is this the McDonald's ad?
Sonic Heroes!
Oh, I don't remember it looking like this.
I don't remember
God.
it being McDonald's quality either.
It has to be the Omega.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I got it!
What is it? What is this?
I just don't know.
Yo, is that Facebook? Let me share it to my Facebook real quick. Let me share it to my Facebook. Oh my god. I made that video!
Oh, hello. Good morning.
Mr. Bean? Has Mr. Bean. Mr.
Splatoon free.
Oh, no way. We're gonna watch Eggman's Splatoon video?
No, because it isn't Splatoon free, it's Splatoon free.
Oh my god. No way. Blue. Yellow. Oh my god.
I know, the gameplay looks amazing.
It almost looks the same. But
Shut up, it's different again!
don't tell me what to do!
Monster Hunter.
He's not there, I misspelled it. Whatever. Monster Hunter.
But Corey Kitchen.
Fusion Z
Sure,
Gamer.
Kitchen's played Monster Hunter, so it kinda connects.
Oh,
Look at
we
this
got.
GameX.
This here is our
It's tutorial shit.
Oh, we got him playing the game. Or like.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you do?
Oh, I gotta be somewhere right about
Stop! Why are they walking in such a big group so close? Honestly, I would probably
Hope
kick them.
exists, guys.
What?
Taco, please.
Oh my god, look at that.
I don't want to. I want to watch Corey.
No, I'm recording. We can't watch another YouTuber's videos.
Yes,
No,
we can.
That is what we are doing.
You are about to enter the court.
Taco, I'm about to leave if you do not watch this stupid video.
About
I'm
enter
trying
the
to
courtroom
show you
of
it.
Judge Morty Durham Jr.
What is it? Why? Oh my god. No,
Okay, I can
Kirby.
listen to this.
Whoop. Whoop.
Oh shoot.
Oh my god.
Oh wait.
Oh
they
my
got,
god.
like, a groupie with it. The groupie. The
Personally,
groupie?
my favorite Kirby
Do they group the meat?
is the last one on the right side. I personally like that Kirby the most. The meta
I
ray.
like the
green
blue
one?
Kirby and the normal Kirby.
I like normal Kirby. And yellow.
Failboat Kirby. I only think that because Failboat.
Yo, wait, why is Eggman wearing a Jamaican hat?
Oh.
Yeah! Sonic Forces, babies.
So HD, I hate it.
Okay. He's
I want to
lifted.
kill myself.
I want to eat one.
I do too.
I feel like if you're playing
Oh my god.
no!